Saving money is wise, but could it actually harm the economy? Sounds counterintuitive, right? Today we are delving into a fascinating economic puzzle that affects all of us, known as paradox of thrift in economics. In times of economic unpredictability, it's natural for individuals to tighten their belts and save money. But what if I told you that saving, especially if everyone does it all at once, could harm the economy? When everyone saves more and spends less, especially during tough times, it can lead to a decrease in demand. As you can see, this is what happened during COVID-19. What happens is that due to our decreased spending, the businesses earn less, then they produce less and may have to lay off workers. This idea was popularized by the economist John Maynard Keynes in the 20th century. The Great Depression of the 1930s is often cited as a classic example of this paradox in action. As fear and uncertainty spread, people started saving more and spending less. This reduced demand for goods and services, leading to mass layoffs and an even worse economic situation. This can actually create a vicious cycle. Here is how it works. Imagine you decide to save more and cut back on your spending. If it's just you, the impact on the economy might be minimal. But if everyone does the same, there will be low demand. Businesses sell less, produce less, and might have to lay off workers. These workers now have less income, leading to even lesser spending and more savings, creating a vicious cycle. Imagine this. As we all save more, demand plummets. Companies notice and think, oh, time to cut back. And just like that, production slows, squeezing our GDP. And then comes the domino effect. Stock prices, real estate values start to tumble. The result? Our collective wealth shrinks. Banks get jittery too. They tighten the purse strings, and before you know it, credit is crunched. Want a loan? Good luck with that. Worst case scenario, businesses can't cope with the cold economic winter of weaker demand and tighter credit. Bankruptcies crop up, doors shut for good. A grim picture, isn't it? Now imagine this on a global scale. In today's hyper-connected world, a spending freeze in one corner can send chills across the planet. International investments, trade flows, they all get affected. It doesn't just affect local businesses, but can ripple across the globe. So you might wonder, what should we do? Remember, your spending is someone else's income. Saving is essential for personal financial health, but in the grand scheme of things, too much saving can slow down the economy. It's a paradox because while saving is good individually, it can be harmful collectively. Therefore, finding the right balance between saving and spending is key. It's a point of discussion in economics, especially when considering the balance between personal finance and macroeconomic health. Hope that you found this paradox interesting and something to think about. Thank you for watching. If you found this video enlightening, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more economic insights.